Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the right Wix website template for your site and get you confidently moving forward with a ready-made design that you can fully customize to fit your vision. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options or unsure where to start, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick, personalize, and launch your website using the power of Wix templates. Let's dive right in. The smartest and most efficient way to get a complete website up and running, even if you're brand new to web design, is by using a Wix template. Templates are basically pre-made websites designed by professionals that you can use as a starting point. Think of them like a fully furnished apartment. You get a structure and all the basics, but you're totally free to rearrange, redecorate, or swap out anything you want. This saves you a ton of time and gives you a jumpstart toward a polished modern website. So once you're logged into your Wix account, head over to your site dashboard. From here, you'll find the option to Create New Site. Just give that a click. Wix will ask you a few quick questions about your website, what it's for, the kind of features you might need, and then it'll direct you to the template selection area. Now, look for Studio Template as your starting point. This collection has a wide variety of options, especially if you want a site that stands out with sleek design and easy customizability. Here's a tip. Before you dive too deep into browsing, spend a moment thinking about what your website actually needs. Do you want to showcase a portfolio? Maybe run an online shop, share your blog, or promote your business? Jot down a quick list of must-have features or the style you're drawn to. That way, you'll be able to filter out templates that don't fit your needs and zero in on the ones that truly resonate. Now, take your time exploring the different templates. Wix lets you preview what each template will look like, including how it looks on mobile. If you're ever unsure, hover over a template and view the live demo. It'll give you a feel for how the sections are organized, what kind of imagery is used, and how interactive everything feels. Don't rush this part. Just like picking the right house, you want to choose a template that feels like a natural fit for the content you have and the audience you want to reach. Found a template you like? Awesome! Click Edit to open it up in the Wix website editor. Now's where the fun really begins. You get to make this template your own. Swap out the headings to reflect your brand or personal style. Replace sample images with your own photos. Edit the text so it tells your story or explains your products and services authentically. And don't be afraid to play around with the layout or color scheme. Customizing is what makes your website feel truly unique. As you're working, remember, don't worry if your first draft isn't perfect. You can always update and tweak your site later. Editing in Wix is super intuitive. Just click on any element you want to change and options will appear. If you ever feel stuck, take a deep breath and give yourself the freedom to experiment. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time for the final step. Publishing your site. All you have to do is click the Publish button at the top right. Wix will process everything. This might take a few seconds, and then your site is live to the world. Go ahead and visit your own web address to see it in action. You've just taken your ideas and turned them into reality. And that's it. Choosing and customizing a Wix template is one of the easiest ways to get your website off the ground with style and confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need advice for your own site. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials and web tips just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck building your awesome website.